When the world turns cold and gray and shadows start to creep, if the strength within us fades and tired bodies sleep, I will hold your trembling hand and whisper in your ear, my love for you will never bend. I'll chase away your fear. Through every cough and weary breath, each ache and silent pain, my devotion conquers death and rises up again. In sickness or in health, through every coming year, in poverty or wealth, when skies are dark or clear, this solemn promise I will keep, a bond that can't be torn, until our final peaceful sleep, till death do us apart, my sworn. Should our coffers overflow with treasures grand and bright, or if the gentle breezes blow with nothing but the night, we'll share the simple crust of bread, or feast on gilded plates. The roof above our weary head won't change what love creates, for riches are a fleeting thing, they vanish in the air, but the joy your presence brings is wealth beyond